Hello everybody. This evening I wanted to show off my vintage Dymo 1550 label maker. It's the old embosser style that makes this type of labels here. You've got your cutter, the advance wheel to feed the tape, and the wheel to select the letters and symbols or numbers, whatever you want to do. Now I've had this probably since 85, 86, somewhere in there. And it's just got various labels all over it. I have left those on there because back in the early to mid-80s, when my grandfather first showed this to me, we spent a day just messing around with it and making labels and just goofing off, and that's why I leave them on there, because I remember that day just like it was yesterday, and it's probably like 35 years ago at least. Now I guess I'll show how to load it. I'll go ahead and take the tape out I have in it. And it's just a matter of opening this door, and it's got a pinch roller that helps roll it along, and I don't know what that was about, but okay. It's just a matter of dropping it in, tape side forward, and making sure it's in that slot. Lower the door, click down to advance, and it should start showing up. There it is. And I like to start it about right there, and I will go ahead and type up a message to get to hear these vintage 80s label maker sounds again. And then space, click one down on that advance wheel. Space. Space. And I'll click that out 3 spots to make it even on each end. And then I will click this cutter and here is the message I typed. So now I will add it up to my string of labels I'm putting up on above my workbench. Go ahead and go up to that. I will show them a little closer here in a minute, but I've got to get them perfectly lined up, so that'll take me just a minute. Can't have anything just a little bit crooked on these labels. It'd drive me crazy. All right, let's take a look at these. Okay, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And here's a close-up detail, if I didn't show it very well earlier. But again, this has been my, I guess, early 80s Dymo 1550 label maker. I do appreciate you watching.